something. Thank you.
Bella, question. Nakakapag-catch up ka pa ba kila Kim at Angelica? Since
Yes.
pareho kayong lahat may show ngayon eh.
Yes, and sobrang busy lahat. Actually, I saw Angelica nung taping namin ito, nung first leg namin, kasi sa Subic kami una nag-taping. So, nabisita ko pa si Angge. Si Kim naman, ang huling kita namin ay Chinese New Year. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin. Yeah.
And next month, birthday mo na. Ano yung birthday wish mo?
World peace. Ang wish ko ay matupad ang wish ni Miss Cara David. Na-joke na. Na-meet ko kasi si Miss Cara David 2 weeks ago. Grabe, nag-fangirl ako ng malala. Nanginginig ako. I was so nervous. She's so smart. Ano ba? Wala, hindi naman nag-celebrate ng birthday, but I just wanna have a good day. Yeah.
Sa Ricky Friday.
Ano yun?
Sa akin, Miss Kaki, Ricky.
Hindi, it was at an event ko. Yeah.
Pero
May event.
nag-Ricky ka rin.
Yes.
Kumusta?
Masaya. Matagal na kasi ako 2017. I don't know kung anong batch si Miss Cara, like Ricky Lee, but ako nag 2017 batch ako. Masaya naman.
So, reaction po doon, kay Kim sa kay Angelica, na nag-dominate yung mga show niyo sa ibang platforms ng EBS. Your reaction?
I'm so proud of everyone, of us girls. Si Angelica did something amazing with her show. That's breakthrough, diba? To do a show na for a totally different community. And she learned how to do sign language, Filipino sign language for her show. So, galing. Tapos yung genre niya pa ay kakaiba din. So proud of her. I know she worked hard on this show. Actually, pinag-usapan namin yung Silent Noise nung nandun sa bahay niya. Tapos kinukwento ko naman tong Blood versus Duty sa kanya. So, na-excite ako for her kasi she's been so driven for her comeback, and she kicked off with a great start with her MFF entry. We all know how amazing she was in that role, and now meron siyang ganitong performance sa Silent Noise. So parang ako wala eh, bow down ako kay Angge. She always gives like 800% in all her efforts and all her projects. And the same with Kim. Si Kim, halos hindi nagpapahinga, diba? She's always on the go. She's about to kick off a tour with Paolo, so mabibisi na naman siya, hindi na naman naman siya makita. But also, her show is on prime time again. So, ang galing. Parang, it's sad that we don't see each other as much as we would like to, but I'm also very, very proud of, how hard everyone's working. Yun naman yung gusto namin gawin.
Last question from you. Wear
Yes.
so many hats. Is there anything else on your bucket list na gusto mo ba achieve? Or any projects?
Siguro one day I want to go back to school. Tapusin ko lang, para lang hindi siya naka-iwan lang doon. Kasi right now nakahang pa rin siya.
A specific course?
Siguro I want to continue the course I was meant to, journalism. Yeah, yun lang
That
muna.
explains the fangirling guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
So open ka rin in the future doing views?
Hindi na niya na ako. Huwag na, sa kanila yan. Sobrang galing na nila doon. I'm happy where I am. Gusto ko rin naman yung ginagawa ko. But, and I really, really love what I'm doing. But, and I just want to do it para lang to say that I finished it. Kasi, you constantly want to be a role model to people. And I know that I'm not saying you have to finish school to be a good person. You don't have to, I feel like the way I live my life is such an antithesis to everything. Parang I've broken so many standards already, right? But personally, I don't want also to tell people to not finish school. So if this is something I can continue or something I can return to, then I will, if it serves as an example. And also for me, also for a sense of fulfillment.
Thank you.
Bella, sa dami ng ginagawa mo kasi as an actress, tapos nagsusulat ka rin, and then you're also doing yung mga charity works, tapos active ka rin parang sa Senate ba yun? Nakita ko parang nagsasalita ka din doon. No? So ano yung legacy na gusto mong iwan or people would na ma-remember nila kapag
Hindi ko
sinabi
na din
ka?
alam eh. Kasi ang gulo-gulo ng babae yung dami ginagawa. Hindi ko na rin alam. Kayo na lang magsabi sa akin, ano bang legacy iiwan ko para mamimili lang tayo. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Last year kasi parang nung pagbalik ko, inisip ko, ito na lang eh, parang ibibigay ko na lang talaga yung buong kaluluwa at buhay ko sa trabaho ko. But then, I realized I don't have to, because that's already what I'm doing anyway, and it's working out. But I can also live a normal life, you know. I can also chill out. I can hang out with my dogs, you know. I can just be a person also. So, if I can leave any legacy, it's I hope people think that when or whoever met me, or whoever got a chance to talk to me, or whoever had a conversation with me, or whoever had an experience with me, had a good time, or like had a good experience, or parang knowing her made my life a little bit better, parang ganon. I think that's what I want to be known for, not my movies, not anything specific. It's more a feeling than a specific thing.
Na-mention mo kanina, nag-renew ka ng contract with Kapamilya, no?
Yeah.
So, ano yung mga naka-line up na project, and bakit ka nag-i-stay as Kapamilya kahit walang franchise? Ayan.
I mean, I'm not going to lie. This is still where, for me anyway, the best content is coming from. So I want to line myself up with people who have the same vision. Also, the people I work with here have become genuine friends of mine. I also told Direk Lauren, because I remember talking to Direk Lauren last year. Last year ata, nung kasal ni Angge. And we had this conversation, and then nag-usap kami nung nasa London na ako. And he told me something I needed to hear in that moment in my life. That I was going through something. My dad just passed away, you know, like I was very sad. And I had a very meaningful conversation with Direk Lauren, not even about work specifically. And I remember thinking, you know, wherever Direk Lauren goes, I'm gonna follow him. Like, whether he's with Star Magic or whatever agency, I'm gonna go where Direk Lauren goes. So, when I was given the chance to, nung natapos ko na lahat ng kailangan ko tapusin, and I was free to choose where I wanted to go, I chose Direk Lauren and where he was. So that's Star Magic and ABS-CBN. So, I think, like what you're asking about legacies, right? Direk Lauren gives that. He gives that. Knowing him gives you a good feeling. So, I feel safe around Direk Lauren. So, I know that I made the right choice being with Star Magic and with ABS-CBN because of him. So, yun.
If ABS will grant a project for you, ano yung i-wish mo na project na sana ito magawa?
Gusto ko gumawa ng parang Muro Ami, pero babae.
Cesar Montano.
Yeah. Or pwede yung bata doon, lumaki na siya, ako na siya.
Okay.
Yung bata munti kainin na shark. Ano ba pangalan nun? Naalala mo yung Casey? Napanood mo ba yung Muro Ami? Di ba yung bata doon? Tapos hindi niya inamin na babae siya, tapos kakainin na siya ng shark.
Kasi kinalbo.
Kinalpos, nagka-period siya. Ako na lang yung paglaki niya. Mahilig kasi ako lumangoy. So, yun.
And meron ka bang gustong makasama? Or kahit hindi sa Muro Ami, kahit ibang
Si John
project?
Hilario. Patay na si John Hilario doon. Di ba namatay siya dun sa lambat? Si John Hilario po, sa multo. Sa Muro Ami. Actually, horror na po ito. Hindi. Wala naman kahit sino. I'm happy to work with anyone. I'd love to work with, lagi ko nung sinasabi to, lagi tinatanong sa akin, I'd love to work with Kim and Angelica. Yeah, pero siguro na comedy, hindi something heavy.
For younger generation, sino yung pinaka parang inaay mo na, ay paano pwede ko mako-work to?
Nakatrabaho ko dapat makakatrabaho pala, hindi kami natuloy. Makakatrabaho dapat si Crystal Reyes. I wanna work with her. As like a younger version of me. Huh?
Direct Crystal.
Reyes.
Reyes. Yun yung nag-direct ka before na. Siya yung nag-star dun sa
Apple of my eye. No, not that one. Sorry. Ano ang apelido ni Crystal from PBB?
Yes.
That's the one. Sorry na, okay. Millennial na ako. What's her last name?
Mejes.
Mejes. Okay, that's Crystal. But also Crystal Reyes is also very good. But Crystal Mejes. And who else? I love Caprice. She's so cute. Tsaka ang cute ng mukha niya. Sa boys.
Cuphead fan ka rin ba?
Parang she wants to be solo eh. So,
Oo.
yeah, let her choose
True.
what she wants with her
Yes.
life. I'm very intrigued by, kasi I met him when he was a young boy. Joaquin Arce. Oo. Kasi narinig ko nagma-Meisner siya ngayon, School of Acting, and Meisner is legit.
I met him before.
Yeah, oo. So, yeah, Joaquin, parang he seems very serious at what he's doing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you guys met these kids?
Yes.
Sinong favorite niyo so far?
Namang lahat.
Sila lahat na, showbiz kayo sa mga ta.
Habal ka lang, where did you get this go-getter attitude since bata ka ba?
Actually, hindi ako ganito before. Parang na lumakas siya ng lumakas as I grew older. I answered this in a podcast